Guys, this is what the place looks like inside. Super aesthetic. Ang ganda niya, and the space is actually really nice and comfortable for the three of us. My kitchen area and the overall vibe is very cozy and homey. After that, we decided to just chill and rest for a bit because super pagod na talaga kami from the trip. And this is the view from our unit, guys. Honestly, sobrang ganda niya since we're on the 21st floor. Kitang-kita talaga yung city from up here. You can see all the tall buildings around and ang ganda ng skyline. So ayan guys, we're getting ready because we're heading to the mall today. Kailangan kasi namin mag-grocery so we can stock up on food syempre para may makain kami while we're staying here. And now, nandito kami sa mall. It's actually very convenient because it's just around ID Park. Walking distance lang siya and nasa loob lang din talaga ng area. So ayan, nag-grocery na kami for our essentials. Bumili kami ng basic foods, snacks, and some frozen items so we have easy meal anytime. After a long day, we went back to the unit and guys, this is what the view looks like at night. Super ganda. Look at all the lights from the buildings. Oh my gosh, it really gives that K-drama vibe. Ang aesthetic, ang dreamy, parang main character moment. So ayan, after enjoying the view, time to cook dinner. Ako yung naka-assign sa pagluluto and si Ate Rob naman yung in charge sa rice. And si Ara naman yung nakatoka sa pagwash ng mga dishes. Teamwork lang talaga para mabilis matapos and makakain na kami. After a long and productive day, we finally get to relax and enjoy a home-cooked meal together. And ayan guys, after namin mag-dinner, hindi pa talaga natapos yung food trip namin and nag-snacks pa talaga kami while relaxing. While chilling, we decided to watch Encantadia since super trending siya ngayon. So ayun, yun yung pinanood namin to end the night. Of course, hindi mawawala ang dessert. Kinain na rin namin yung leche flan na binili namin earlier sa mall. And guys, super affordable lang niya but the taste, super worth it talaga. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next part.